you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to do makeup tutorial video on this makeup look, guys. So this is especially for a teenage girl, a college going girl, or school going girl, or I think it's all in one, guys. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell as well. So let's go. I have already moisturized my face, so for the primer I am using the Professional primer from Benefit, one of my favorite primer. Please. As usual, I am going to do eyebrow first. For the eyebrow, I am using this Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit. I prefer natural looking eyebrows because it's a everyday kind of makeup look. So of course I cannot escape this step, my clear brow gel, which is from Anastasia, just like this. In today's makeup look I am not going to use a foundation. I'm going to use concealer only. For the concealer I am using this Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline New York. Currently this is my favorite one, guys. Area, just like this, this side, forehead, chin, and a little bit on my acne scars, just a little bit. I'm going to blend this with my beauty blender. Blend your foundation or concealer with a dabbing motion, not like rubbing. So just dab. It's just like this. Now I'm going to apply powder. Yes, of course, which is from MAC. So I'm going to use this brush, which is from Joeva. I'm going to apply this in a circular motion all over my face. Don't forget your neck area. I'm going to use a contour powder, which is from Elegant Pro. I'm in the shade medium. This is the contour powder. So yeah, it's like this. So just remove your excess product. Now it's time for blush, of course. Blush, which is also from Elegant Pro. Yes, it's a very natural blush. Okay, now for the eyeshadow. I'm not going to apply full eyeshadow, but for the eyeshadow base, I'm going to use contour, this one, as eyeshadow. Just remove the excess product, and on my crease, just like this. lashes. That's it. That's enough, guys. I'm going to apply liner. It's up to you. If you guys are not a liner person, so you can skip this. So for the liner, I'm going to use this from Elegant Pro. So yep, eyeliner is done. I'm going to curl my lashes. This one. One thing, I'm going to use my dye liquid highlighter. Yep, it looks like this, guys. So I'm going to use this. It's very easy to make. So if you guys want to see how I make this dye liquid highlighter, I'm going to make a video for you guys. Let me know in the comment section below. I'm going to blend this with my finger. And then I'm going to apply highlighter. Now I'm going to apply highlighter with my ring finger. So just like this, and I'm going to blend this. And the nose. Okay, highlighter is done. So okay, last is lipstick, of course. For the lipstick, I'm using this from Tarte in the shade Candy. No. What do you think about this look, guys? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. I hope you guys find this video helpful and enjoy this video. So bye bye, guys. See you. Catch you on the next video. Stay beautiful, stay positive, and stay happy, guys. Bye bye.